everybody, welcome back and welcome to the Gentile residence where you know there's always something going on. You will see that Peter has outdone himself again. He took on our fireplace and completely redid it. And stay tuned and watch the whole video to see how he turned our fireplace from looking like this to this. And it looks amazing. He did such an awesome job. He will be showing you some tips and tricks that might help you along the way. So stay tuned and here we go.
All right, everybody, went to Lowe's and I got a piece of plywood cut for 20 by 50. They cut it for me, so that leaves me some extra time to do other things. And now we're going to do the first cut on the tile that we picked out. All right, so this is the tile we're gonna put on this area, which is called the hearth, and all around here. So basically, I'm going to do, my first cuts are gonna be making this totally straight right here. Just gonna cut it straight so there's no notches coming out, and then the same this area. Let's rock it. We got that. That's the mortar. I don't know if you guys can see because it's light. This is the mortar. Yummy. All right, we're gonna start doing the. Hold on. Let's see if we can get a closey wos. Set of tiles that we're gonna lay down right here. They're already dry fitted. And it's gonna go right there. So let's start putting the mortar down. Okay, it says on the back of the tile, it had paperwork that said you needed to use the 3/16 V. Okay, that's the smaller V shape. Grab this. It's a nice chunk of it right here. Just get it set down like that. And make sure you do a straight line down. So we're gonna get this. Make sure you get everything nice and set in the mortar. See the mesh? You gotta cut that. Let's set it in there. I gotta make sure everything fits correctly. Make sure it's spaced out. That's the main thing. Duh. I am looking good. Really good. All right, this is the last part, which is the hardest because I can't get this in here. That's what she said. This is not what you're supposed to be doing, but I can't fit that trowel in this area. So, you have to improvise. Improvisation. All right.
The last one.
The last piece, and I hate doing tile work.
I think it looks awesome. You doing it.
Wipe off the excess. Not too hard because you don't want to gouge out the grout inside that's in between each tile. So lightly go over it, glide over it. It's gonna take a little while because it's a pain in the butt.
Looks so good. So Peter's getting ready to finish up the last little bit of the grout. He's been working so hard. And we were just talking about how the fireplace totally is like the cherry on top for the living room.
Yes, it is.
The finishing touch.
Almost done. Almost there. So you get all the stuff off. There's still grout haze on it, so you gotta make sure you wipe it down really well with water. And keep changing the water out of the bucket because you don't want to get too sandy in there. You're basically just rubbing sand or grout back over it again.
Looking so good.
Alright. I'm gonna change the water again.
Okay.